Are you struggling with the first mile problem in Kafka? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to implement a reliable fire and forget Kafka producer strategy that can handle various challenges. I completely understand your frustration. Many developers face issues with event delivery in distributed systems, especially when it comes to ensuring reliability. It's a common challenge, and you're in the right place to find solutions. Let's look at your specific question. You mentioned needing to deliver events reliably to various applications while ensuring that the producers don't have to worry about message delivery. This is a crucial aspect of using Kafka effectively. So, what are the key challenges here? You need to account for connection outages, box restarts, and internal Kafka exceptions. Each of these can disrupt the flow of messages, and understanding them is the first step toward a solution. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid strategy for handling these issues and ensuring reliable message delivery in your Kafka setup. To begin addressing the user's concerns, we recommend implementing a persistent message queue. This will allow the producer to store messages temporarily during outages or failures. Next, the user should handle connection outages by implementing a retry mechanism. This mechanism will attempt to resend messages after a specified delay when a network issue occurs. For internal Kafka exceptions, the user should categorize errors into retriable and non-retriable. For non-retriable errors, such as message size issues, a dead letter queue can be utilized. Additionally, the user should ensure that the producer can persist messages during restarts. This can be achieved by saving the state of in-flight messages before a restart. Finally, the user should monitor the system for performance issues. This includes tracking the size of the message queue and the rate of successful deliveries to Kafka. Fun fact, did you know that Kafka was originally developed at LinkedIn to handle their massive data flow? It's come a long way since then, and so can your implementation. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach for reliable fire and forget Kafka message delivery involves a high-level design that ensures at least once delivery semantics. First, a message schema is established, and messages are written to a MySQL table, which is sharded by date and includes a delivery status. A polling application retrieves undelivered messages, sends them to a load balancer, and updates their status upon successful delivery. The producer array consists of machines behind a load balancer that send messages to the Kafka cluster. It's crucial to set the acknowledgement configuration to AX equals -1 to ensure all replicas acknowledge the message, providing strong delivery guarantees. The system handles connection outages, restarts, and internal Kafka exceptions through retries and status checks. Here's a pro tip. Regularly monitor your Kafka metrics. This will help you catch issues early and ensure your producers are performing optimally. And there you have it. With these strategies, you can tackle the first mile problem in Kafka effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Kafka.